The central government has always focused on taking everyone along, serving the vulnerable, trusting scientific advice, and has laid maximum efforts in bringing the nation together. Whether it's about serving the people by mobilizing resources or enabling better working conditions, it is the spirit of service that has always been visible. Recently, the central government has shared a glimpse of the nation's Vikas Yatra. It would be interesting to know more about it. In the first place, let's get to know about the measures implemented to promote the ease of doing business in the country. Certain major reforms have been undertaken to provide a boost to entrepreneurship in the nation. In the 2020 edition of the World Bank Report on Ease of Doing Business, India was acknowledged as one of the top 10 improvers, the third time in a row with an improvement of 67 ranks in 3 years. The last year has witnessed many reforms that have tried to improve business opportunities in the country. These include 4 labor codes, taxation laws amendment ordinance, Companies Act reformation, and removal of dividend distribution tax, thus generating a sentiment of cheer within the market. Along with the ease of doing business, ease of living is also ensured for the citizens. Let's get to know how. The deadline to file income tax returns was extended multiple times and eventually pushed even to the next calendar year for the welfare of people. Moreover, Jal Jeevan Mission Rural, launched in 2019, has already made waves across the country by providing over 4 crore tap connections in such a short period. Further, to tackle the problem of air pollution, the government has set aside an amount of rupees 2,217 crore for 42 urban centers. To serve the people, healthcare infrastructure has been holistically strengthened in the country. Let's get to know about the mission, Health for All. The health sector has received a big boost with the Union Budget 2021 seeing a 137% increase for health and wellness with the allocation of rupees 2.23 lakh crore including rupees 35,000 crore for COVID vaccination drive. Moreover, the National Digital Health Mission has enabled every Indian citizen to have a health card and has completely digitized the health records of all citizens. Further, Ayushman Bharat has acted as a shield to aid the citizens during the pandemic. 15.9 crore Ayushman cards have been issued to beneficiaries till now, enabling them to get treated at more than 22,000 hospitals across India, including 8,800 private hospitals. 75,000 health and wellness centers are also operational across India and have immensely helped people to easily access healthcare services, especially in the times of pandemic. India's youth have been the biggest ambassadors of the country's talent and potential. To achieve their true potential, the government has shaped an effective ecosystem. Let's dive into that. The new National Education Policy 2020, introduced after 34 years, intends to make education a dynamic process. It prepares the youth to be solution-oriented, agile, and mentally equipped. The government aims to reach 50,000 new startups by the year 2024. For that, a fund has been set up with a corpus of rupees 10,000 crore. The production-linked incentive schemes have been launched across 13 sectors, including pharmaceuticals, textiles, and specialty steel, which help in massive job creation. At last but not the least, putting India first has been the topmost priority. On 3rd October 2020, the world's longest highway tunnel, Atal Tunnel, built by the Border Roads Organization, was dedicated to the nation by PM Modi. Last year, the defense acquisition procedure was launched to reserve specific categories of goods exclusively for Indian vendors. Some other major initiatives include the clarion call for India to achieve the target of a $5 trillion economy by 2024, setting up an alternative investment fund, providing piped water to every rural household, and Infrastructure Vision 2025. Apart from this, the nation's Vikas Yatra has also encompassed the path to social empowerment, transformative economic growth, prospering farmers, Nari Shakti, mobility for the middle class, and India's exceptional fight against COVID-19. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.